How to fix Windows 10 laptop not charging issue. Step 1, head to Device Manager, then remove two items, Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft AC PI compliant control method battery. Step 2, shut down your own laptop. Step 3, unplug the power cable from your laptop. Note, if your laptop has a removable battery, remove it and reattach the battery later. Step 4, boot your laptop and check if your laptop not charging issue is fixed. Last but not least, you may get more troubleshooting tips from https://goo.gl/jmnvsu. System battery shows plugged in not charging when you hover over the battery icon, and https://goo.gl/pmyrct. What to do if your laptop is plugged in but not charging.